Back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine and I like to make videos on crafts, DIYs, cooking, and anything that sparks me joy that I want to share with you guys. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cute little sun mirror. Made out of all dollar store materials, mostly dollar store materials. And this was actually inspired by Pier 1, which is a furniture and decoration store. I was there the other day and I saw this cute sun mirror and I was like, this is so cute. I want it. But it was really expensive and overpriced. So I was like, I can make that myself for cheap. So here I am, teaching you guys how to make this cute little sun mirror for cheap. Let's get started. Alright everyone, I'm going to be talking here and there when it's necessary, so let's get started. For step 1, we're going to tape down the mirror to protect it from any damages and scratches, and trim the sides so it's easy to peel off later on in the video. Now for step 2, we're going to make a cutout out of the mirror and set it aside for later. Now step 3 is totally optional. You can either eyeball it or use an object to make a circle within the mirror. The circle will be used as a guide to stick to skewers later on in the video. Now for step 4, I'm taking out the skewers and measuring how long I want them to be. I will be cutting skewers in 3 different sizes. Once I'm satisfied with certain lengths, I will cut each skewer by 1 inch or 2 inches shorter than the other. Yes, I know, I tried my best guys, I tried. Now for step 5, once I cut my skewers in 3 different sizes, I'm going to arrange them into a certain pattern. It's going to be big, medium, small, small, medium, big, and so on. The overall pattern should look like this and mimic sunrise. Step 6 is also optional. You can either freehand the pattern or cut the circle into 4 equal parts. This will be used as a guide for the skewers later on. If you do decide to cut the circle in 4 parts, I glued the longest sticks on the 4 sides. These guides will help you ensure that you're following the right pattern. Now for step 8, you can start gluing down your pattern. For step 9, we're going to bring back the piece of cardboard we put aside earlier and make the back and the hook of the mirror. Once you're done with step 9, take it outside for a spray paint, and while you're waiting for it to dry, take a quick snack break. For my break, I ate an ice cream sandwich, looked familiar, listened to some music, and watched the sunset. And now we're back from the break for the grand finale. I hate to say, I'm sorry, but I realized I wasn't recording once I finished the first part of the gluing down the cord. So pretty much what I did, I glued down the cord Pretty self-explanatory, I would say. Just measure however long it is, glue it down. Then clean up some Windex, you know, so it's not crusty looking from all your fingers. And here's the complete look. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the alert buttons. If you have any questions, put a comment down below. I'm more than happy to help you. I will also put useful links down below in the description box. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye! And don't forget to say something nice to yourself today.